Maglalagay pala ako ng journey dashboard at the end of every episode. Kamusta kapatid? Today is Wednesday, July 15, 2026 and pagwa muna ako ng motor, yung aming Honda Beat. Okay, hindi ko pa talaga alam kung saan pupunta pero hanap lang muna tayo sa area. Let's go. Okay, wala naman daw sira pero sobrang tigas lang daw ng gulong. So, yung run natin ngayon, medyo boring kasi zone 2. Pero, it's our day 100 when it comes to running. It's gonna be fun. Let's go. Alright, dito na tayo. Stretch and restroom lang. Let's start. Sheesh. Okay, let's start. Heart rate ang habulin natin ngayon. Strictly zone 2. Kailangan natin itong rest na to. Kasi tama ako, medyo masakit yung paa ko, particularly the right foot. I think dominant yung aking right side. So, hindi tayo maghabol ng pace ngayon. Habulin lang natin yung HR. I'll see you in 1K. Masyadong bagal tayo. Pero ayos lang. See you in 2K. Painfully slow. Very, very slow. Dito yung mapapaisip ka kung para sa may zone 2. Pero sige, prioritize natin yung rest. I'll see you in 3K. We're still going really, really slow. Pero ramdam ko yung pagod kahapon. I think mukhang tinodo ko talaga kahapon. Anyway, I'll see you in 4 km. Chill lang. I'll see you in 5 km. So sobrahan ko mga pala ng 400 meters today para sa journey dashboard. Sakto tayo. Meron kasi akong 0.6 na sobra doon. So 6.4 ang run natin today. Ayos lang naman siguro yan. I'll see you in 6 km. Pero last 400 meters, sigarin na natin. I'll see you in 6.4 and that's how it's done. I'll see you in the house.
Okay, we're home. And today is our 100th day of running. Unfortunately, hindi lahat ng runs amazing or legendary. May mga katulad rin ng ganito. Zone 2. Pero okay lang. Ang mahalaga, nakatakbo tayo. And kung titignan natin yung splits, 6 km, 10.07 average pace, 135 heart rate. So, nakuha natin yung goal natin. And moving time is, I think kaya na ng 1 hour ito. Kung titignan natin yung splits. It's an easy run, masyadong mabagal, boring. Pero okay lang, kasi achievement pa rin naman yun, di ba? We've still run for 100 days. Hindi lahat tumatagal ng 100 days. Pero di ba swerte pa rin kasi umabot tayo ng 100 days nang walang major injury. Sige, noon na injure, pero minors lang, di ba? Ngayon, we're wiser after 100 days. May iwasan na natin yung mga hindi natin alam noon. Basta tuloy-tuloy lang. Isipin mo 100 days, di ba? Basta from here, more research siguro, more commitment, more passion. Who knows what will happen next? Basta isa lang yung alam ko. Wala man akong mapala dito sa pagko-content or being a content creator. Lalakas pa rin yung katawan ko, di ba? Tatakbo pa rin tayo, araw-arawin pa rin natin, and who knows? A year from now, 2 years, 3 years, or even 5 years, mas malakas tayo, mas mabilis tayo, and health-wise, mas stable. Hindi nagde-deteriorate. And yun talaga yung bonus sa ginagawa natin. Imagine, stronger and healthier body, stronger and healthier mind, and, diba, nagagawa pa rin natin yung mga gusto natin. Hopefully, longer life, kasi wala namang makakaalam niyan. But still, you're preparing yourself for longevity, and that's the real plan. Diba? Hindi man araw-araw Pasko, pero at least, pwede natin piliin mag-enjoy araw-araw. Well, may ups and downs ang buhay, pero at least ikaw pa rin na magde-decide kung anong gusto mong gawin. Yun lang, see ya.